And we take you straight across to all the developments taking place in the national capital as far as Arvind Kejriwal, who has tendered his resignation to Delhi LG. That is the big breaking news that we're getting you at this point in time. Arvind Kejriwal has stepped down as the Chief Minister of Delhi. Remember, this has been a big decision that he has taken ever since he's come out on bail. Arvind Kejriwal has stepped down as the Delhi Chief Minister. Atishi is set to take over the mantle and succeed him. Arvind Kejriwal went over to the Delhi LG's office and he has tendered his resignation. Of course, he was accompanied by several senior Aam Aadmi Party leaders. There was Gopal Rai, Saurabh Bharadwaj, Atishi Marlena, and a huge convoy of leaders were present at the LG's residence when Arvind Kejriwal had tendered his resignation. And Arvind Kejriwal now makes way for Atishi. Those are the live visuals that we are getting you. On your screens right now are the live visuals from outside Delhi LG's residence. My colleague Nikhil is getting us all the live updates from ground zero where all the action has shifted. What we're given to understand is that a letter of support by the MLAs endorsing Atishi's name as the next Chief Minister has also been handed over to the LG. That has also cut across to my colleague. Those are the live visuals on your screens right now. You can see Gopal Rai, Saurabh Bharadwaj and the new Chief Minister of Delhi, Atishi, over there. They may address the media. A huge contingent of media is also present right outside the Delhi LG's office, as this is the biggest story right now that we are tracking. Arvind Kejriwal steps down as the Chief Minister. Atishi set to take over as the new Chief Minister. Well, that is the big breaking news that we're getting you. Senior leaders in attendance at Delhi LG's residence as Arvind Kejriwal steps down as the Chief Minister. Atishi in your screens right now, and my colleague Nikhil is joining me live. Nikhil, take us through the developments taking place over there. Arvind Kejriwal has tendered his resignation. He has stepped down as the Chief Minister.
So Samia, currently we are reporting from outside LG Secretariat, where a while back Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, he has left from his vehicle MG Gloucester, and now in the pictures what we are seeing that there is a lot of commotion, a lot of chaos which can be seen and experienced here. In fact, Atishi can be seen in the screen. We can see Gopal Rai as well. He is about to make some of the comments, I assume, but the entire cabinet of the Aam Aadmi Party-led Delhi government, they had gone inside with Arvind Kejriwal only, and Arvind Kejriwal's vehicle has left with all those security protocol, and he is no longer a Chief Minister because he has already resigned. And now the resignation which has been tendered by Arvind Kejriwal, it will be forwarded by LG VK Saxena to the President Draupadi Murmu, and once the approval is given from the President's side, then the entire new process of making Atishi as a new Chief Minister, that is something which is going to begin. But in the picture, for the very first time, there is this entire commotion which can be seen and experienced here. There is media presence already, and obviously for this big important day, but we are expecting that another top leadership who is already in the attendance with Arvind Kejriwal, they will also be seen leaving from the LG Secretariat. There are few of the faces we are trying to recognize and see. Okay, so Gopal Rai is here, Saurabh Bharadwaj is here, and there are few other colleagues as well who can be seen, and these are the people who are no longer part of the cabinet, because as soon as Arvind Kejriwal has resigned from the post of Chief Minister, the entire cabinet also resigns by default. This is at least what the experts have been saying. So once the Atishi becomes the official Chief Minister of the capital city, the new cabinet is also something which is going to be formed. But these are the pictures wherein we can see a lot of commotion. All the cabinet ministers, former, in fact, so to say, the former cabinet ministers of the NCT of Delhi, they are going to be seen in pictures. There is a lot of commotion, and to reiterate again for the viewers, we can see Gopal Rai, who is the convener for Delhi for the Aam Aadmi Party. Saurabh Bharadwaj is also someone who is seen. In fact, there were other colleagues as well who were the part of the former cabinet, including that of the Kailash Gehlot, and one or two different names. They were also seen going inside the LG Secretariat. So this is the big meeting which has taken place, and we are learning through the sources within the Aam Aadmi Party that a letter of support from the side of the MLAs has also been submitted to Delhi LG VK Saxena, that the MLAs have proposed a name of Atishi to become the next Chief Minister. So a lot of things which are going to be seen, but this is the picture which is coming in from right outside the LG Secretariat. But the pictures are yet to be awaited, because in a short while from now the media, in fact the pictures officially will be released from both of the sides, wherein we are going to see the official as to how exactly were the visuals which were penned out when Arvind Kejriwal was handing his resignation to Delhi LG VK Saxena. But since these leaders are standing here, so we are assuming some of the public comments are clearly going to be made from these leaders who have arrived here. But one thing is very much clear after the comments which were made by Atishi, that she is going to work in the shadow of the former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. She has said that no matter who has been given the responsibility and the charge to remain at the helm of the NCT of Delhi, but it is Arvind Kejriwal who will continue to be the Chief Minister and the guiding force for the entire leadership and the cadre of the Aam Aadmi Party. So a big clarity has already been given out from the side of the Atishi. But as